So what, go on? I'm Olaf. I'm a beg your hug.
Olaf? That's right. Olaf.
And you are who?
I'm Anna.
Anna, who the little tired looking donkey there?
That's Sven.
And the mad cow?
Sven?
Oh, okay. We know them different now. Oh, we had to chop up off my nose. Me not like you too.
Olaf, did Elsa build you?
Yeah, why?
Do you know where she is?
Yeah, why?
Do you think you could show us the way?
Yeah, why?
How does this work? Ow!
Yeah, what am there? You're too jealous. Yeah, man, why?
I'll tell you why. We need Elsa to bring back summer.
They had summer? Yo, me ever love the idea of summer. Especially when them hot and me chill out nice summer. Sun, feel the heat.
Really? I'm guessing you don't have much experience with heat.
No, sir. But sometimes I like to close my eyes and just imagine when summer come. Feel the summer breeze.
Pool party. If I even the beach, me have to reach a summertime. Hey, every man say if I come along, go for your suntan in the summer sun. If you want bleach, go back home. Go for your umbrella, cause the sun a burn. The young girl, them a bring it on. In a bikini, them in a pretty tongue. You know for shy girl, bring it come. If you want a fool man, get it on. Both more may come from me now. Pretty girl does a pose like domino. And the tongues them a rub them down, you know. Inna the shade with straight vibes from me now. Uptown full of fun, you know. ATI we are going now.